Samant bought a microwave oven and paid 10% less than the original price. He sold it with 30% profit on the price he had paid. What percentage of profit did Samant earn on the original price? Consider original price as 100 rupees. Then he paid 10% less than the original price. So 10% less than 100 he paid. 10% of 100 is 10. So 100 minus 10, 90 rupees he paid for the microwave oven. Again, he sold it with 30% profit on the price he had paid. He paid 90 rupees, so he again sold it with 30% profit on this 90 rupees. Here, 100% of 90 is 90. 10% is 9. Then 30% is 9 into 3, 27. That means he sold the same item for 90 plus 27, that is 117 rupees. That means total profit on the original price is 17%. Because if original price is 100, he sold it with 117 rupees. Total 17 rupees more. So 17%. Option A is your answer. Profit is 17%.